What are you doing?
I'm boiling water. How does it sound?
Bok 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 bok.
Oops! Jakoi. This is called jakoi. We use this to catch fish. Well, do you see its shape? This shape? Triangle. Is not it a triangle? Its triangular shape is similar to the letter bok. Water is boiling there. The sound is bok 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 bok. Well, let's go. Now I will show you something.
Potatoes. Aluguti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This letter is called bo. Now, let's see what I am going to make by using the letter bo. This is called ko. Bo, ko, bo, ko. Bo, ko, bo, ko. Bok, 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 bok. Panibur utolil bok, bok, bok. Rilkhon choli gol chok, chok, chok.
Panibur utolil bok, bok, bok. Rilkhon choli chok, chok, chok.
Ebo ki koiba etia?
Ebo bhaji banai kham.
I will fry all these potatoes and we will eat. Well, if you want to learn Assamese, if you want to write Assamese, then subscribe our channel right now.